twos. Late December, you have likely unboxed some awesome new gear for Christmas. Maybe a new mechanical keyboard, a stream deck, or a second monitor. But let's be honest, your desk looks like a disaster zone. Adding new tech often creates a tangle of power cords and HDMI cables. It kills your focus. I call it the spaghetti monster. You don't need a room renovation. You don't need to drill holes in your wall. In this video, I'll show you how to clean up your battle station in under 60 minutes using 3 budget-friendly tools. Step 1 is the 30-second fix. The biggest source of clutter is the power strip on the floor. It gathers dust and looks unsafe. The solution is a cable management box. Drop the entire power strip inside. Close the lid. The mess disappears instantly. Best return on time and money. Step 2 is bundling the wires. Here, after hiding the power strip, you still have cables running to your monitors. Don't use cheap plastic zip ties. They're a nightmare to remove. Use neoprene zip-up sleeves instead. They bundle all cables into one clean tube. When you need to swap a cable, just unzip it. No cutting. No waste. Step 3 is clearing your desk surface. If your headset sits on your desk, it's stealing valuable mouse space. Use an aluminum under-desk hanger. Stop buying bulky headphone stands. Use the empty space under your desk. Hang your headset out of sight. Now your desktop is completely clear. A clean desk reduces friction and boosts focus. You don't need to spend a fortune. 1 cable management kit. 1 hour this weekend can make your setup feel brand new for 2026. If you want the exact kit I use, check the link in the description below.